Thank you, Alicia, and students. You're obviously so talented and interested in so many things. Thank you so much for your time, considering it is midterms. And I'm hoping I can re-enroll in Barnard someday very soon after listening to that, if they'll have me. As we conclude, I'd like to certainly thank my own committee members, the Office of Alumni Relations, and especially Kelly DeFelice for her expertise and professionalism, which have been so wonderfully demonstrated today. Thank you, Kelly. And thank you to everyone for helping to make this day special with your attendance and your attention. In addition, I know you will want to join us at our closing reception, which will be on the Diana Green Roof. This is the 6th floor of the Diana Center. And then we're going to have tours of the Milstein Center offered at 5 and 5:30 in front of the building. They will be leaving from that point. Before we get to that highlight of our program, it is my hope that this day has brought you closer to Barnard and closer to each other. Our aim has been to engage you with news about exciting programs like Beyond Barnard that support our students' future against the backdrop of a new astounding building that will surely enrich their present. To bring Barnard's relevance into focus and to examine a day in the life of our students. We wanted to enlighten you with current financials, an overview of the standing committees, to encourage you to think creatively about how you volunteer, and a profile of both our incoming students and the academics they so enthusiastically pursue. We wanted to empower you as leaders and contributors to the future of this institution, with sessions designed to bring new information, new tools, and new conversations to the task of implementing a wide range of crucial activities that Barnard simply cannot do without. I'd like to also leave you with some important action items to think about. Take some time to connect with someone you met today and discuss their activities as leaders and stewards of the college. Get in touch with your class or regional group to communicate what you discovered here. Let them know about the Milstein Center, the amazing students you heard from, and President Bylock's vision for the college. Encourage event and fundraising participation through outreach calls to Barnard friends. And make the most of what you learned here today. In closing, we want to express our gratitude for your leadership, your insight, and your inspiration that constantly strengthen this college and ensure its firm footing for years to come. Our ties to Barnard are absolute. Our dedication is evident. Our connection to one another is profound. And that's how it should be, because we're in this together. Thank you.